Kia ora, my name is Ria and today using Monarch products I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to prep and paint this brand new kitchen window frame around this beautiful new window. Okay, so first things first, I am using the Monarch Mini Fill Sand and Go. I've gone around and I have filled all of the nail holes in the new window frame, and there's a plastic applicator that comes in here. Then once that's dry, also comes in here, sandpaper. Go across and sand back any of that putty to give you a nice smooth surface to paint. And don't forget to take a damp cloth and wipe away any dust. Okay, now the fun part. The painting today, I am using the Monarch Mini Roller Tray. I'm also using this window frame and door brush, which is a precision brush. It's got this lovely point on the end, which is perfect for all of the little nooks and crannies in the window frame. And then to finish, I am going to be using the Smart Lock Mini Roller. I've chosen a roller with the nap of 4mm, which is perfect for smooth surfaces, such as doors or window frames. And these rollers can just click on and off super easily. All right, let's get started.
I painted the tricky bits first, but the precision brush allows such accuracy and control that it was a breeze, and I didn't even need to tape around the window frame or walls. Honestly, everyone should have this window and door brush in their toolkit. Then once I'd finished cutting in, the mini roller was perfect to paint the flat front-facing surface of the window frame.
So after 3 coats of paint, the window frame is done. It looks great and was super easy, all thanks to Monarch.